how to deploy your token, how to add liquidity, and how to earn commission from your token. Step 1. Go into coinshitter.com. Step 2. Set all the settings for your token. Step 3. Deploy your token. As you can see, my reward wallet has 0 ETH. I made a screenshot and we'll compare it after buy and sell transaction happens. Step 4. Add your token to your wallet. Step 5. Copy your contract address and add liquidity on Uniswap. And now anyone can buy or sell your token, and you have to market it and get a lot of users. After a bunch of buy and sell transactions, you get commission. If we go to DEX Screener and we search for our contract, you can see that we have our pair here. And after a few buy transactions, we see that price is going up. Now I'm going to perform sell transactions. I made a few sell transactions and we can see that price is going down. Let's check the reward wallet. The reward wallet has 32 cents of ETH, and this is the commission from buy and sell transactions. If you want more detailed tutorial on how to do that, head over to coinshitter.com website or YouTube channel and you will find detailed tutorial there. Thank you for watching.